Hello friends, today I am showing new type of unique recipe, water scrambled egg. It's a very tasty and very unique recipe and very easy way recipe. So please full watch this video and then you will can learn, and those who are new visitor please give subscribe, like, share and comment. So now let's start. This is the first step. Now added 1 tablespoon refined oil. Now refined oil totally hot, and now added chopped onion and added capsicum chopped, and now fry little bit for few minutes. Now this capsicum and onion fry has done, and now added half teaspoon garlic paste, then mix well properly. These are all cooked well properly, and now added chicken, small cutting pieces chicken, and fry for 5 minutes. This chicken cooked well properly, and now added 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Then after added 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, chili sauce. Then after added 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. After added 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Then after added 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and now mixed well properly. And now mixed has done. Now added salt to taste, and now mixed well properly. And this chicken cooked for 2 minutes. This chicken cooked well properly for 2 minutes, and now added little bit water for boiling this chicken. And now this chicken cooked for 2 minutes. See this friend, this chicken cooked well properly and boiled properly all chicken, and now remove from this pan, and now we'll go to the next step. Now step number 2, here I have taken 3 eggs, and now 3 eggs baked properly. And now added little bit salt to taste, and beaten well properly. This egg beaten properly done, and now we'll go to the next step. See the friends, here I have taken a kadai, and now added little bit water. See the friends, this water boil has start, and always remember, do not take too much water, always few water. And now added eggs. And spread well properly. and these eggs too much nutrition and very healthy. See the friends, this egg properly done scrambled egg, and water totally spread removed from this egg. See the friends, this scramble has done and removed the water, removed from the water. See the friends, this is the egg water and this is the scrambled egg, and properly strain well properly. And now we'll go to the next step. See the friends, here I take a fresh karai, now added the scrambled egg and now properly dry. We'll take a properly dry. This scrambled egg totally fully dry and very good looking, and now added the cooked chicken and now mixed well properly. These are totally done, and now added some green chili, chopped green chili, and now mixed well properly. See the friends, this recipe has done, and this is the totally unique recipe, and please try at your home. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.